Alright, here we are, Cole, sit. Here we are with Cole. I'm just going to basically sit and stay and walk over there and I'm going to recall him. Cole! You might be coming